It is not uncommon for some vehicles to ply the roads with no insurance or with an expired insurance cover. For some, it is a bother, while for others, it is not important and makes no difference to the vehicle's movement. But it is mandatory for vehicles in the country or on routes between ECOWAS member states to have an insurance policy in compliance with the law. GTV News takes a look at vehicle insurance for both Ghana and in the West African sub-region.
Vehicle insurance, also known as auto insurance or motor insurance, is insurance purchased for cars, trucks, motorcycles and other road vehicles. Its primary use is to provide financial protection against physical damage and or body injury resulting from traffic collisions and against liability that could arise from that. Vehicle insurance will typically cover both the property risk and the liability risk or legal claims arising from an accident. Insurance in Ghana has been in existence for many years. Even with a variety of insurance companies to choose from, many car owners do not think it is important to insure their vehicles. Some choose to use fake insurance stickers, others display their expired ones or do not have any at all. It is also very common to have cars involved in accidents with no insurance covers. This is the opinion of some drivers.
So insurance on that accident didn't happen. You can go for it and do whatever you wanted to do. But without insurance, I think that you put the victim into a problem. That's why it's important to everybody to do insurance for his car.
I was involved in an accident. I checked this very insurance company and they told me that their agent have not submitted the tag. So what the accident that I was involved, I'm not entitled to any benefit.
ECOWAS states are mandated to enjoy free movement among member countries. The ECOWAS Brown Card, established in May 1982, therefore was to ensure free movement of goods and services in the sub-region. This protocol, among others, is intended to support trade, commerce and transhuman settlements. Its equivalent is the Green Card in European countries and the Pink Card in the Arab countries. It serves as an insurance cover against third-party liabilities that motorists may incur while they drive across various national boundaries. The Chief Executive Officer of the National Bureau of ECOWAS Brown Card Insurance Scheme, Mr. Gabriel Glover, tells us more on the benefits of the card.
Prior to the establishment of the Brown Card scheme, motorists have had a lot of challenges, especially when they drive across borders, because the insurance that they have were not recognized by the countries in which they have driven into. Currently, it's recognized by all the 15 member states of the ECOWAS sub-region members, and it's helped in payment of claims fairly and promptly to motorists who are involved in an accident so that they can go freely about their businesses.
He also said the issue of fake insurance claims by vehicle owners has been a source of worry to insurance companies.
Insurance is an industry where we have to be very careful in handling of claims, because it's an area that breeds false claims, and people will go to whatever extent they want to claim from an insurance company because they think it's a benefit that accrues to them. And people could go into the extent of even staging the damage of their own vehicles by burning them and other things. But insurers have ways and means of checking them and investigating to be able to see that genuine claims are those that are paid.
A police officer, DSP William James, said there is not enough education about the benefits of insurance in the public domain. This, he says, is the reason why some drivers are reluctant to insure their vehicles.
Lack of knowledge is a problem now. Is a challenge that we face as members of the MTTU. The drivers, most of them, they may not have, and the passengers, they don't check. And now, if a case of this nature should come up, then the person will probably be arraigned before court for him or her to defend his or her action.
Those who appreciate the importance of insurance say education on it should be continuous. They say this will ensure that all vehicles on our roads and extending to the ECOWAS region have some form of insurance. Esther Edu, GTV News, Accra.